Welcome to KenKen Ai World. Party Popper. Our channel offers exciting and up-to-date information about artificial intelligence, AI, the latest technologies, and unique applications in everyday life. Glowing Star. Today, we're going to explore Suno AI, a powerful AI tool that's making waves in the world of creativity. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Suno AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform that helps you easily create high-quality audio and text content. From generating voiceovers for videos to creating podcasts and video scripts, Suno AI provides all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Microphone # robot face. With Suno AI, content creation is no longer a challenge. Simply input your ideas or scripts, and the tool will help you generate realistic, sharp audio that aligns with your goals. Not only that, Suno AI also supports content optimization, helping you connect with your audience more effectively. Let's explore how Suno AI can help us create amazing content.
When the world was brand new, I heard the nights cry, echoes of the desperate rising to the sky. These alleys whisper follow, you'll never fall, but I won't let their lies.
To use AI Suno, you need to log into Suno's homepage and create an account. I have the registration link in the video description. At the main interface of Suno, you can create an account with Gmail, Apple, Microsoft, number phone. And today I will quickly log in with a Google account. By choosing a Google account to log in quickly and create a Suno account quickly. After logging in, you can see the main interface of AI Suno. Here you can see many of AI Suno's utilities. You can go to the library to listen and view songs and melodies created by previous users. Besides, you go to the discovery section and can choose for yourself the genres and styles of music you want to create. And here are thousands of works that have been created before with thousands of different genres, styles, and themes. You can click on any work to listen and can rely on those melodies to create a similar song for yourself.
My friend, you're raw and exposed. Never fall. You don't see me, but I'm here in the storm. The city's heart is black and it's bleeding gray. Walls are lined with whispers, secrets they betray. Underneath the street lights, hope slips away.
To create a song or a piece of music composed by myself, I asked GPT Chat to create for me a song about a children's topic with a fun, vibrant style. Just a few seconds later, GPT Chat has created for us a complete song lyric with all the parts. ChatGPT will create for you the song title, and you can ask ChatGPT to create the melody for your song. Then you copy the lyrics and transfer to the Suno AI interface. At the main interface of Suno, you select the Create section. Next, you select the Custom section to be able to create music in your own style. Next, you select your music style and enter the style you want. Scroll down to fill in the title for the song that you asked ChatGPT to create before. And then you click the Create button to create the song. You wait a moment and AI Suno will create for you a complete song with a length of up to 4 minutes. And here is the result, who gives us 2 different melodies. Let's listen.
Wake up, it's a brand new day. The sun is shining, let's go out and play. Stretch up high, touch the sky, wiggle your fingers and say oh my. Jump, jump, clap your hands, spin around and do a dance. Stomp, stomp, shake it loose, sing out loud like a wild caboose. Wake up, it's a brand new day. The sun is shining, let's go out and play. Stretch up high, touch the sky, wiggle your fingers and say oh my. Hey! Jump, jump, clap your hands.
Which style do you like? Leave a comment. I like the second fun style better. You can also create a longer, more complete song by clicking on Extend and waiting for a moment to complete a complete song. Let's listen again.
Now freeze, don't move, don't blink. Hold that pose, what do you think? Wiggle your nose, give a little shout. Let's start. Now freeze, don't move, don't blink. Hold that pose. What do you think? Wiggle your nose, give a little shout. Let's start again and twist about.
Finally, download the song you like in MP3 file. So you know how to use Suno AI to create creative and unique songs. With powerful tools from composing lyrics, creating background music, to AI vocals, you can easily produce quality music products right at home. Multiple musical notes microphone. Try it now and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue discovering more interesting creative tips from KenKen Ai World.